Hello all. Today I'll go through a averages MapReduce program. Let's go into the environment. Here, as we can see, this is our environment, and here my Cloudera cluster is running over here, so that we can make the changes over here. And here we have the data file, and we have the mapper file and the reducer file. Here, when coming to the mapper, it is taking the input uh, over here, and it is splitting line by line, and if there is spaces it's gonna strip it and then split it. And later, as our program only takes numeric values as input, it's going to take in only if the value is numeric only, and then it converts into a float value, and this mapper program emits the numeric value over here, and this emitted value is taken by the reducer as an input, and it counts number of values. So we can do the average, and here we can do the average by a total by count, and then we can print the average for this. And let's check the output for the data we took. As our program should work both on the numeric and alphanumeric values and alphabets. And so I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can see that A, B, C values are also there, and we are running it just to test. So here, this is the program for that. This cat, we are piping the output of the cat to the Python mapper, and we are piping the output of the mapper to the reducer. So, sorry, let me start the Conda environment. Conda activate P2. Here we can see the average is 5.5. As we know, we took the number still 10, so the average is 5.5. And let's run the same code in the Python environment. Here we can see our Cloudera system is running. We can go into the other terminal, and we can do Docker uh, execute, and we are into the Cloudera system now. And we can see we have a MapReduce folder here. We can go to the MapReduce file. We can see it has the mapper program, it has the reducer program over here, and let us go to the dev system just to see our data is there or not, and let's copy the data into the HDFS system, and it's gonna be in home. Cloudera. Let us that. We can see it's here, and here it's in home, and home it's in Cloudera, and in Cloudera it's in dev01. Sorry, it's dev01. We can see the files over here, and we have the data file. We can copy this into HDFS1, HDFS, DFS, and let us do the list for that. We have a folder called averages for this. Let me go into that. So we can see the files over here. We have the data file, and let us delete this data file and replace it with the new one. HDFS, DFS, RM, and data.txt. averages data.txt. Successfully deleted, and let's copy the same file into the HDFS system. HDFS DFS copy from local. Data.txt to MapReduce averages. Successfully copied. We can see that. Yeah, we have the data file of the updated data file which we took up to 10 numbers. And let's run the program over here. We can go to the program once. So let us open the VS Code. VS Code, we have ISM 6562 and 6562. We have BDF23, and we can see the files over here. And let us go to the Docker. And let's run the code first. Copy the code. Okay, we have the MapReduce folder here, and we can see the output for. I mean, we already have 3 outputs. So let me change the output to 4, and let's run the program. So I've changed the output to 4. This is a jar file. We are taking the inputs of mapper reducer. I mean, these are the 2 files which we have. We're taking the mapper program and a reducer program. Over here, I mean, the input, we can see the input as data.txt, and the output is going to store in the output 04, and we have the mapper and reducer as discussed. So I'm copying the code and I'm pasting it in the dev01. Okay, I'm pasting it. So yeah, I've pasted, and let us run the program for this. So we can see the program is running. It's going to take a while for the mapper and reducer to run. You can see that the mapping is 100% done, and we have the output successfully stored in the output 04. We can go to that by HDFS DFS. Oh, I think we have the code. We just average. Yeah, we have, as we can see, we have the output 4. Let us go into the output 4. DFS, DFS, LS, slash map reduce slash average, and output 04. Yeah, we're in that system, and we can see this is the file which we can execute, which we need to execute to see the output. We can do that. HDFS, DFS. Now let us run like this. Output 4 part 5 zeros. So let us enter that. Let's do cat for that, so we can see the output. Yeah, we can see the output as 5.5 as we discussed, which we executed in the local system. This is all about the executing a average mapper program in the HDFS system. Thank you all.